Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS padding. And right now we'll be discussing about CSS padding for all individual sites. Right here we are going to set different padding for all 4 sites of a div element. So you can see how this works, how this reacts in a reasonable manner. Back to our document, as you can see, we are having this in our previous video where we discussed about the padding left. And right now we are going to use the padding left, padding top, padding bottom together so we can form a new something. So let's quickly comment out all this, or let's recreate this. Let's clean our document, save our document first, reload your document. Now we are having this in our document, right? So what we want to do first, before we do that, this image don't like this place it is. Let's rearrange the place it is. Let's give it 1002 just to see where it shifts to. It's too much. Let's just give it 800 pixel. It's too much also for me. Let's give it 400 pixel. Yes, I think 400 pixel is enough for now. Now let's use our padding. So right here we want to use padding, but we are using it with we are selecting our body element and we are trying to pad everything. So let's give it padding top. Let me give it 24 pixel. I like this. Padding right. Let me give it 24 pixel. 24 pixel. Just to have something nice to work with. We're going to see what will happen. Padding bottom 24 pixel. And also we need another padding left. We're going to give it 24 pixel. Now save your document and see what we got. Can you see what happened? We are having padding left right here, padding top right here, padding right here, but the padding bottom is not there. Just imagine. Do you know what happens right here? Padding collapse happens. Padding what? Padding collapse happens. If you notice very well, we are having our padding top, but we are not able to see our padding bottom very well. Let me do something now so you can be able to see what I'm doing. Let me increase the padding top to 1000 so you can be able to see what I'm talking about. You can see the padding top to 1000. Let me increase it to 200. It's too much also. Let me increase it to 100 pixel. Can you see now the padding at the top? Let me bring down the image a bit so you can be able to see what I'm talking about. 24%. Yes. So can you see the padding top at this place is 100 pixel. The padding at the left side right 24 pixel. The right side is 24 pixel. But the padding at the bottom is not reflecting. Can you see? The reason why it's not reflecting is because you don't keep this pixel. So I want you guys to please, everything you are writing, whatever, padding top, padding, anything you are writing, if you notice that it doesn't show like that, just come here, write the pixel there or whatsoever, maybe it's percentage you are using, just use it so that your document will not have any problem. Now let's save our document. Now I'll reload our document. Can you see our padding bottom now shows? And when we give it 100% padding also, let's say we give it 100%, 100 pixel padding. When we reload, no, this is padding left. We're trying to use the padding bottom. Can you see now the padding top and the padding bottom is having 100 pixel, but the left and right is having 24 pixel. So if you mistakenly omit this px right here and you specify 100, save your document. Let's see. Can you see padding collapse happened there? The padding top collapse instantly because you don't know what you are saying. So when you use the pixel or you use percentage, then it can know what you are saying. Can you see? It's working now. So please try this with different elements. Let's use it with our fit set element. Let's select all our fit set element. and use it with it. Reload. Can you see all our fixed element having padding top, padding bottom? Can you see we are having two fixed elements right here? As you can see, this one and this one. Can you see? Let's use the only one that is having the fixed as the class. Let's save our document and reload. Only this one is now having the padding top, padding bottom. Can you see? Our background image is now inside there, and we can control our background image to, let's say, let's give it 1000. Let's give it 100. Let's reload. Can you see it's go beyond? So we can control it by using 50, no, 20. We can do more than this. I don't want this to take our time, because to control this thing we have to rearrange it in some manners. So I just leave it like this, because just in case you want to see the image that is there, I will show you something right now. Let me just use padding button to, no, I'm not going to use padding button, but just know that we can control this. I purposely don't want to stress myself doing this for now, because I don't want this to take our time. But if I continue taking it, it can really take our time, because we will be calculating the amount of the space from our document there. When I use 1000 pieces, so we will be calculating it. That's the main thing. So please, I don't want you guys to focus on this, because this is just our image we are using. This is our sticky image. We can comment it out just to see what we are doing. This is our thing. So later, if you want to specify the image there, we can now control it. So to control the image, we have different ways we can control it. We can specify the top, we can specify the bottom, we can specify different things there. So let's just leave it like this for now, because this shorthand property, if I'm trying to use it with it just stress a hell out of someone right here. So let's bring it back. Now, as you can see, our document is looking nice right now. Let's use this with our h1 element just to see how it reacts to different elements. Let's give it our h1. Now, can you see inside our h1 element, see the way it works? The padding top, padding bottom works. The right and the left padding also works. As you can see, the image also displays very well. So please, I want you guys to try this with different elements, so you guys can be able to see how it works nicely. Let's bring it back to the body element, so you can see again how it works with our body element. Now reload your document. Now you can see padding top, padding bottom, right and left, everything is working nicely. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Until next, peace and love. Bye.